Welcome! In front of me I have Vivax Lifefit, a Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HardReset Pro application. Once the devices are paired, now let's open the HardReset Pro application on our phone. In the application, you should see the main screen. Now, tap on this icon right here to open the watch face menu. And right here we have, as you can see, recommended, category, time, and HUD. And we have different watch faces we can basically download and apply on our watch. Find the watch face you like to use on this list or in different categories. For example, this one, tap on it to select it. Here we have different styles also, so you can select different style of the watch face with different picture. And once you're done as customizing the watch face, tap on push button, tap on sync watch face, tap on download, and tap on prepare. And now let's wait. And after the watch is done being synced to our watch, it's gonna be applied on our watch, as you can see. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.